Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So skipping intros lets you jump straight into the episode without watching the opening credits, saving time especially when being watching. Okay, so first thing starts playing an episode like open Prime Video. If you have a phone, you can also open your application in your device, whether it is Android or iOS. Okay, so select a TV show episode, like any episode you want to start. Okay, for example this one. Okay, click play. Skip intro works only on episodes, not movies. Okay, so wait for the intro. As the episode starts, watch for the intro sequence. The option appears automatically. So tap skip intro. Okay, so mostly it will be here. Okay, so when the button appears, tap mobile. If you are using a mobile, tap. If you are using a laptop, which means the website, click. If you are using the TV remote, press OK or select. Okay, so episode jumps past the intro instantly. Okay, so what happens after skipping? You go directly to the main content, playback continues normally, and it saves time on each episode. Okay, so there are some common issues that happened, like no skip intro button, show may not support the feature. Okay, missed the button, rewind slightly or wait next episode. And that's it guys. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.